Hello friends, today we will see how to implement various character functions in our Oracle database. We will use SQL command line to implement all these functions. We will implement initcap, that is initial character should be capital, lower character, upper character, ltrim, rtrim, translate, replace and substring. So let us see all these functions one by one. So let us start our SQL command line, right click on it, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes. So it will show SQL command line. Now connect with SQL command line. So use command con, then username as system, password as system. So you can see that we have successfully connected with SQL command line. Now let us implement all the characters one by one, all the character functions one by one. Let us see. Select star from employee. We will implement some functions on our character table, employee table, while some functions on our dual table. So let us see initcap function first of all. So you can see that in our employee designation column all the characters are lower including first character. So let us use the initcap function. Select initcap, that is initial character should be capital from employee designation from employee table. So you can see that in our output all the initial characters are now in capital form. So this way we can use initcap function. Same way we can use initcap function on single value. From now I should use dual table. So you can see that my initial character is capital. Second function, lower function. So let us see what records are there in our employee table. Now let us use lower function. Select lower our column, that is employee name, from employee table. So you can see that all the characters are now in lower format. Initially employee name column has first characters were capital, but right now all the characters are in lower format. So that is the functionality of lower function. Same way I can use single value over here. For example, Harit, let me take it capital from dual table. So you can see that my output is in lowercase format. Now let us see upper function. Select upper, name of the column. Our column name is employee name from EMP. So you can see that all the values are now in upper format. Same way I can use this function on employee designation column. So you can see that all the values of employee designation column is now in upper format. Now let us use this function on single value. So I am providing argument Harit. You can see that it comes 5 times, so I need to use dual table for that. Dual, it is Harit. Now let us use ltrim function. So for ltrim function I will use this function on both dual table and employee table. So for employee table, let us create query like this. Select ltrim column name, that is employee name column, and what I want to trim, I want to trim H from employee. So what will be the output for this query? It will trim H from employee name column. So only in record number 1 capital H is there, so it will trim H, it will remove H from first row employee name column. So you can see that in place of Harit it simply shows me ARIT, that is Harit. All the values are as it is. Now if I want to implement this query on dual table, so I will replace, let us say select ltrim in single quote I am passing the values like star Harith has star, and I want to trim star from dual. So simply it will trim star from left hand side. So you can see that from left hand side it is trimming star and gives me Harith has star. From right hand side right now it is not trimming anything. So this way I can use ltrim function on our user table as well as by default system generated dual table. Let us see rtrim function on employee table. So select star from employee. I will use rtrim function. So select rtrim. My column name is employee name, and what I want to trim is h, small h from employee. So from record number 4 and 5 it will trim h. So you can see output like this. From record number 4 Ramesh becomes RMES and Suresh becomes SURES. So this way I can trim rtrim. I can perform rtrim function on our user defined table. Now if I want to perform rtrim table on this table on dual table, so I will simply replace L with R, and right now it will trim star from our right hand side. Left hand you can see that left hand side stars are as it is. So if I want to trim hash, so remove this star and provide hash, so it will trim hash from right hand side. So it is rtrim function. Now let us see replace function. Basic difference between replace and translate function is that translate performs conversion character by character, while in replace function we need to provide whole string. So translate converts one by one, while replace converts whole string. So let us use replace function. Select replace. All these functions we will use on our dual table. So select replace, then bracket computer engineering, select replace computer engineering. What I want to replace? I want to replace computer with CS, that is computer science, from dual. So you can see that replace function replaces whole keyword. We need to provide keywords in sequence only, while translate will replace character one by one. Let us see one example of translate function. So select translate, okay, so Monday, and I want to translate Monday to Sunday from dual. So you can see that it will translate M with S, O with U, and N with N. So you can see that it translates character one by one. Now let us see our substring function. So select substring, that is substr. It is syntax for substring function. Now let us provide value as computer engineering, and what I want to take from this substring, I am providing argument 1 and 8. That means what? Computer starting argument 1 and ending argument 8. So it will return computer to me, computer value from dual. So you can see that it returns me computer. Now if I want to obtain engineering or ENGG, so starting argument will be 1, 8, 9, 10. Starting argument will be 10 and ending argument will be 14. Consider computer C is on argument number 1, so O will be argument number 2, etc. So engineering, it returns me substring from our original string. So these are the various character functions that we have implemented on SQL command line. Now let us implement our last command, that is exit, to leave SQL command line. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you.